Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Ipsy bag. I'm very excited for this because it's for February 2018. So I'm just going to open this up. I'm going to pull it up. Oh, look how cute it is, and there's something down here. Alrighty, so the first thing in this bag is a Finish Up Dry Shampoo. And it's from the brand, I think, Eva, New York City. Cleans without water, absorbs excess oil, and keeps hair fresh longer for all hair types. It's a pretty cute little can. I'll have to try it. I love dry shampoos. I wash my hair once a week. If you watched my How to Keep Your Hair Color In video, I tell you guys that just because it keeps your hair nice and fresh longer. And dry shampoo is a girl's best friend when you only wash your hair once a week. So let's get into this bag. So there's this cute little card here with a bunch of people on it. We're gonna move on from there. Alright, so this is Luna by Luna highlighter. We're gonna see what this looks like. I can get it open since I suck at opening things. And its color, I think, is Electra. Yeah, so this is Electra. Let's open this up. It's a beautiful pink highlighter, which is my favorite. We're gonna just swatch her on my hand here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's very pretty. I'll have to try it in my next video. Next is Bye Bye Under Eye by IT Cosmetics. Full coverage, anti-aging, waterproof concealer. And it's in light! Yay! Alright, let's get this little dude open. Oh, look at how skinny and cute it is. So small. This thing is like super packaged. There's like even a little thing in here after you open it. You gotta take off. Alright, let's see what color this is. So it's nice and light. I'll have to try that as well. Alrighty. Next, and this is from Pacifica Beach Crystals Natural Mineral Eyeshadows. Wait, hold on. Gotta get all this tape and stuff off of the packaging here. This might take me a second. A lot of seconds. Oh, we're getting somewhere. I did it. Hi Calypso. Welcome to my video. This is my cat Calypso. He likes to be a beauty guru. He's always jumping up here and hanging out with me. So this is taped on both sides, so it's really in there, which is good. Woo! Got it out! Calypso, you gotta move, honey. You're in the way. Do you want to say hi to everyone? Come here. My little petunia Calypso. Say hi. Hi, YouTube. I love him so much. Anyways, so this is what this cute little kit looks like. It has more tape on it. Hold on. More tape. Alright. So it has one of those little things that I will not probably use because I never use those. But this has 5 colors in it. Alright, let's see what they all look like. So those are all the colors. I don't know if you can see them, but some of them are really nice and pigmented. Well, they all are. Just some of them show up a little less than others. So that's a pretty cool little kit to get. And last but not least is this negative 417 hand moisturizer. Which, living in Colorado, yes, you need lots of moisturizing things. So hopefully this one will absorb well into my skin. We'll see. I don't really absorb lotion very well. It just kind of sticks on my hands and leaves them really clammy and kind of gross feeling, so I always have to wipe off the lotion. So maybe, hopefully this will absorb in. The only lotion I've ever used that like has really worked and absorbed is Aveda's, the hand cream and the foot cream. I love both of those, and that's one of the very few that's ever like actually gone into my skin without me having to wipe off whatever's left or whatever, because it just doesn't like me, I guess. I don't know, lotions don't like vibe with me that well, so hopefully this one will. Alright, we're gonna put this lotion on and see what happens. Take this little doodad off. Let's see what it smells like. It doesn't have too harsh of a smell, which is nice. It's kind of like pretty calm. I'm only gonna use a tiny bit just in case. Let's try this. My hand's so smooth. It's absorbing a little bit. I can still feel a little bit of like a sticky consistency from it, but it is absorbing more than most lotions do, but I only use like a tiny drop of it. I don't know, does anyone else get that? Like when you use lotion, your hands feel sticky? I don't like that feeling. It smells really good. It's not overpowering, so it's not like, oh my gosh, you put on like 20 pounds of lotion. It smells very neutral, clean, has like a tiny bit of a floral scent to it. But yeah, I think that's a pretty good Ipsy bag. I got lotion, dry shampoo, highlighter, concealer, and eyeshadow. Look at all those cute things to try. Alrighty guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to see me do more videos like this, just let me know in the comments and I can unbox every month when I get them. Or if you don't like them, I don't have to do videos like this. Just let me know what you guys think. And thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your evening. Bye guys!